Yeah, hey there, it's Paul here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now, in this video, I want to talk about, are double tops and double bottoms a good strategy in Forex? Okay, if you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do put out a couple of videos each and every week to help you move forward in your Forex journey. But in this video, I want to talk about double tops and double bottoms, M's, W's, whatever you want to call them, because it's one strategy that's out there that kind of a lot of people use in the retail trading kind of market, I guess. And I want to explain in this video, if you're not getting the results that you want with double tops, double bottoms, I want to explain in this video why that is, because basically the number one reason you're failing trading this is the banks are manipulating the markets to make you lose, okay? Now I want to explain a strategy. So let's just say we've got a double bottom here, okay? So you come along and you enter the market, you come along here, you've got a double bottom. So we've got a double bottom here, and what happens is you come along, double bottom, you've got here, you've got the second one here, and then you might say, oh okay, well I'll wait for the MACD to cross, or I'll wait for the moving averages, or whatever it is, and you enter the market here somewhere, and what you're looking to do is ride the market in an upwards direction. You have to excuse my drawing. Art has never been one of my strong subjects. So you're looking to enter the market here after this double bottom, but what happens, you'll start to ride the market in a bullish direction, and then what happens is the market literally fires down, or the banks push the market in a bearish direction, take out your stop loss, because you're going to have a stop loss sat here somewhere around here. And then what happens then is the market carries on in a bullish direction as you'd intended the first time around. But what happens is the banks or institutions drive price in a bearish direction to take out your stops, so that basically they can get their hands on that money to carry on then pushing in the intended direction up, okay? And the same happens in a bearish direction with an M pattern or a double top or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can see that on the charts, and you can see it time and time again. Okay, now I've just picked a chart here. We've got GBP/NZD, and I'm actually looking at it on the daily, but it's irrelevant what time frame we're looking at. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark off a couple of places. We've got a double bottom here. So below here, you're going to have your stop loss somewhere around there. You double bottom. If I go to a slightly smaller time frame, it might just show it a little bit better. Okay, so we've got a double bottom. So we've got here, and we've got another one here. So here's our double bottom. So what happens here then? Price starts to move up into a bullish direction, and then what happens is the banks drive price down here, take out your stop losses to then move back in a bullish direction here and carry on in the intended direction. Now, if I just come back to the daily again, this here, we've got this here, it just drives down, takes your stops out, moves up. Let's just find some more on this chart. We've got another one here, double bottom, stop losses below, price is driven down and carries on in a bullish direction. We've got another one here, stop loss below, price gets driven down, takes the stop losses, carries on in a bullish direction. Now let's just look for some, as I say, they'll be literally everywhere. If you come to a smaller time frame, they will become more apparent. Let's just make this a little bit bigger. As I say, if you go to an even smaller time frame, this little double bottom here, stop loss taken out, carried on in a bullish direction. You've got another one here. And if you know, they don't look a lot on this. This is a 4-hour time frame. If you go down to the 1 hour or the 15-minute time frame, these are going to be double bottoms where you've just got these spikes down on the higher time frame that's going to take your stop loss and move on. So I guess really the question to this video, which was are double tops and double bottoms a good strategy? Yes, they can be, but you want to be taking a small number of pips. Okay, I mean, you look at this here, it does carry on going in a bullish direction and then it spikes down, so you're going to get some pips out of that. You're going to get some pips out of this one here. You're going to get some pips out of this one here. I mean, that was on the daily. So yes, you can get some good moves out of it, and it doesn't always come down and spike back to take the stop losses out, but a lot of the time that can happen. And if you're losing trading double tops, double bottoms, and if you go back and look at your data and you find this is happening, then this is why it's happening, is because the banks are out there driving price through your stop losses effectively to take your money. Okay, so you either need to make your stop loss bigger, or you need to make your take profit smaller, or whatever it is, or change your trading strategy. I use them as part of my strategy, but I trade smart money concepts, so I actually look for price to drive through the stop losses before I look for my kind of trade setups, if that makes sense. But anyway, hope you found this video helpful. If you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do put out a couple of videos each and every week, and I look forward to talking with you again real soon. Take care.